In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix your iPhone 11 screen. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But let's say your screen is completely black. Whenever you're like on an application or anything like that, you still know it's on because you might hear sounds or notifications, anything like that. So you still know it's on, but for some reason you're just stuck on a black screen. Well, the simple fix for this is going ahead and force restarting your phone. So what you got to do is on the left, you're going to see like these different buttons, right? So you don't want to press the action button. You want to go ahead and firstly press the volume up button, then press the volume down button. And then all you want to do here is literally just long press on your power button on the right. When you long press it for long enough, it's going to start restarting. Now it's not doing it for me because right now my phone's literally completely on. It's not frozen or anything, but traditionally it's going to force restart once you do that. If that still doesn't work though, what you can do is also just hold down your volume up button and your power button, and then if you hold it down long enough, both those together, you're not even going to see this, especially if it's obviously black. So it's just going to auto restart eventually once you hold them down long enough, and it's as simple as that. Now if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.